Italy is a fascinating historical country with so many gorgeous cities, towns and villages to explore. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the reasons to visit Italy. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, we have the history. No one can deny that Italy is full of history worth exploring. You can find ancient ruins across many of the cities in Italy. The regions are very different from one another, offering historical sites and a variety of culture and cuisine, making a trip around Italy a diverse and interesting experience. Then we have the art. Every major city has a notable art gallery to talk about. You can find masterpieces from Michelangelo and famous works of art by Leonardo da Vinci. Beyond artwork, there are also some incredible pieces of architecture found in Italy too, with the marble dome of St. Peter's Cathedral in Vatican City, the preserved Colosseum in Rome, and the beautiful arched bridges in Venice being just a few must-sees. Then we have the food. Italian cuisine is hands down my favourite cuisine in the world, and of course the best place to try these amazing dishes are in Italy itself. To begin with, enjoy as much pizza, pasta and coffee as you can, but then head to the different regions to try local specialities. Another reason to visit Italy is the World Heritage Sites. It may be a smaller destination than its neighbouring countries in Europe, but Italy actually has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other European country. In Italy, you can find 55 heritage sites, including 50 cultural sites and 5 natural sites. Visit Pompeii, the previous Roman city that was engulfed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. You could visit the first ever botanical garden that was created in 1545, or explore the historic city of Verona. The Amalfi Coast is another UNESCO protected site to visit, as is the historic centre of Florence. Which brings us on to our next reason to visit Italy, the world famous cities. Italy has many cities that you can explore, giving you plenty of options no matter what you are looking for. As the capital of Italy, Rome is the most popular option for many and is home to incredible historical landmarks that are a must-see. Venice is a romantic destination, Milan is the fashion capital of Italy and the world, and Florence has some of the best art and architecture around. Head to Naples for pizza, explore Verona, the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, or visit the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Pisa. Another reason to visit Italy is the nature. With so many amazing cities in Italy, it can be easy to forget about the natural landscapes Italy has to offer. Visit the Dolomites in the northwest, with 18 peaks rising above 3,000 meters and offering beautiful mountain landscape views. You can also visit the many lakes around Italy, with Lake Como being one of the most picturesque and popular options. Head to the vineyards of Tuscany or explore the orange groves of Sicily. Then we have the coastline. As the country is surrounded by waters of 5 different seas, Italy has many pristine coastlines dotted by beautiful towns. This means that you are never too far away from a beach or the sea, so you can plan a great summer holiday exploring the cities, then relaxing on a beach in a town nearby. Plus, you can find plenty of fresh seafood as well as luxurious resorts along the coastline too. As we have made very clear, there are so many places worth visiting in Italy. So the next reason to visit Italy is the transport. Travel around Italy is incredibly easy, with plenty of options to help you get around and see all the sights. The train network in Italy is extensive, and many travellers will predominantly stick to train travel. There are speed trains between the major cities, and most stations are located in the city centre too, so you can hop between the major cities without too much hassle. You could also choose to rent a car to access the more remote villages in Italy, whilst Flixbus has a huge network of buses that run between many destinations in the country. The next reason to visit Italy is the shopping. Italy is known as a trendsetter in Europe, with Milan being the capital of fashion and a must visit for many. There are plenty of shopping options in Italy for all types of prices, including fantastic outlets that offer discounts on some of the best brands in the world. Then another reason to visit Italy is the wine. The endless vineyards are a huge part of the country's landscape, and no trip is complete without exploring at least one of the many vineyards. Enjoy some wine tasting and explore the beautiful landscape that many of these vineyards have to offer. Watch this video to find out the top 10 places to visit in Italy. Then, to learn more about some of the best cities in the country, check out this playlist. Have a wonderful time in Italy and stay creative.